Hey guys, welcome to a pack opening video for Pokemon cards. Today we've got Chilling Reign, blister packs. I've already opened a few booster boxes of this, but I've been so excited to find some blister packs. I finally had some show up in the shops, so I bought as many as I could afford without going broke for the next couple of weeks. And here we are opening up 25 Chilling Reign blister packs. Now, I thought I'd just share a little bit of information before we start the opening. In the background here, I've got my first edition Lugia, which has a beautiful swirl. It's a PSA 8, and it took me a few months to save up for it, but I finally saved up enough money and bought this. This is my first graded card, and it's my favorite card in my collection at the moment. And also, if you are in Australia and you go to EB Games, you spend $25 or more, you'll get this cool Flapple holo promo with the EB Games stamp. So head to your EB Games and you should be able to pick that one up. Now here we have what I've seen is only 4 pack artworks for the blister packs. The booster packs inside should have 5, but I've only seen 4. We've got Zapdos, we've got the Ice Rider Calyrex, the Shadow Rider Calyrex, the Galarian Articuno. So that we're missing a Moltres pack. Who knows if there is a Moltres one? I guess we'll have to find out in later videos when we open up more of these. But let's get straight in. I'm hoping to get some alternate arts in this. So in 25, oh, how do we open this up? 25 packets, that's almost a booster box. Almost, very close, but not quite. And here we have, I love how the code cards are backwards, so you can't get spoilt. You have no idea what's in here every time you open one up. If I see anything noteworthy or any like really decent cards that's not the reverse holo or the rare, I'll just pull them out. Maybe take note of them for a bit. Oh look, we got a reverse holo Malamar. Whoa, that's a good card. It's very strong in the game at the moment. We got Galarian Surfetched. So I do have my sleeves to the side just in case we pull something decent. So we opened up the Moltres one. Second pack today is the, looks like there's the, sorry, open up Zapdos. There's the Moltres pack. This is the one that's missing from the cardboard artwork, but let's see how we go. Mystery codes, I love it. We have no idea if it's white or green. Reverse holo Shop It, and a Bomber Snow, regular rare Bomber Snow. So I'm looking for that one in reverse holo. Looks like that was 2 greens so far. Be nice to get a couple of pulls soon. Got a Shadow Rider Calyrex. Lapras, that's alright. You can put this as your basic Pokemon on your first turn and start stacking up the Melanie cards. Clara, reverse holo, that's a decent one as well. And there's our Gardevoir. Our first hit of the day, we've got the rare, holo rare Gardevoir. I'm going to sleeve this one up. Put our pulls ball behind here. where the Lugia is, so we can see how we go at the end. So the Gardevoir is a decent card. His ability lets you look at the top 2 cards of your deck and attach any energy you find there to your Pokemon, which is quite strong if you're playing the game. Energy acceleration lets you attack faster and harder. Echoing Horn, this is a decent card. If you're playing a Rapid Strike, Urshifu or Zeraora, and your opponent chucks something in the discard that's a V card or something that's easily able to be KO'd by a bench snipe, you just play this card and then KO it. A reverse holo, Justified Gloves, and Inteleon. Finally got an Inteleon. I haven't pulled one of these yet. Finally got one. Oh, that's so nice. That's nice. Alright, Lugia, you look after them. Inteleon is quite a good card. If you can evolve up to it before getting your Sobble or Drizzile fainted, you should be able to do 20 damage every turn to any of your opponent's Pokemon, but just one of them. Which is pretty good if you're trying to bench snipe things and you're just a little out of damage. That's a good one. Impact Energy. Old Cemetery is decent as well. Anyone that attaches energy to non-psychic take 2 damage. Seviper and Galarian Weezing. So how many hits? We got 2 hits so far in about, let's say that's about 6 packs. This is probably the 7th one here. Looking for a hit, a couple of hits soon to make up. Okay, we got Darkness Energy, Old Cemetery, Avery, that's alright. Let's say your opponent's playing Eternatus. You can start discarding cards from their bench. It's a really good crippling attack. Flannery Reverse Holo, I needed that one. And we got a Serena. Regular rare Serena. So I'm just sleeving up this Flannery. The last of the Ice Rider Calyrex packets. Seems like the Galarian Articuno had the most. Alright. Very dry on pulls at the moment. Maybe the rest of the packs here have all of the pulls. This card here is textured strange on the back. I wonder if that's a ultra rare. Let's hope so. Darkness Energy, Ledian, Pathopy. This is a good card. Ignores abilities of Pokemon with the rule boxes. Very good ability. Rillaboom Reverse Holo. There we go. And a Ice Rider Calyrex V. So I was right. That texture was for the ultra rare. Let's get a little sleevey for it. Inteleon, you can look after Calyrex. Onto our Shadow Rider packets here. 3 hits, that's about 8 packs. Not the best. Hopefully we can get a full art or alternate art. Really want some full art or alternate art from this opening. Oh, this card here has got some chipping on the edge. A little bit off center, top to bottom. Knowing me, that's probably a ultra rare, and it's off center. Reboot, Old Cemetery, Squavit, Shuffit, Coughing, Yamask, Snova, Reboot, Shadow Rider, Calyrex V. I'm just calling it. I keep calling it. I can see him from the back, and I just know exactly what's coming. Alright, let's stick that in a sleeve. So we got the ice and the shadow. Look at that. What if we can get some VMAXs and full arts? Wouldn't that be nice? Got our Articuno pack. Wow, this is really off center. Knowing my luck, this is going to be another ultra rare that's really, really off center. Oh man, that's going to suck. Let's hope it is an ultra rare anyway, just so we don't get like a holo or a reverse holo or nothing. Swirlix, Feel, Squavit, Clobberposs, and oh, Gold Fighting Energy. Wow, we got a secret rare, and it's the Fighting Energy. Wow, look at that. Ho 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 ho. Flapple, you look after that. You've done yourself good. You've got a pull. This is our good hit today. It's that Gold Energy. If we get an alternate art or another full art, it'll make all of these packs worth it. So I reckon I'd be able to spot a ultra rare from the back. This one doesn't look like it would be, but it could be a holo. Let's have a look. Oh, Spiral Energy, this is good. This is our Rainbow Energy, but for Rapid Strikes. We got Reverse Holo Rugged Helmet and Zarude Holo Rare. It's another holo hit. So we're getting the hits now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hits. So in 25 packets, if we want to get a 50% pull rate with our hits, we're going to need 13. So we're about halfway there. We can get maybe twice as many from what we have now. Before we finish, we might be able to get a 50% pull rate, which would be fantastic. Wow, this card's very off center. It's probably an ultra rare as well. Look how off center that is. It's probably an ultra rare. Because they seem to be printing very off center ultra rares. Nope, there we go. It's just a Survivor. Zapdos artwork. Look at that, that's incredibly off center. This card here is a different color to the others too, look at that. Interesting. Alrighty, let's go through these. We got Metal Energy, Weeding Gloves, Karen, Steenie, Sphere, Cast Form, Heracross, Ralts, Quillfish, Kecleon, and Metagross. VMAX. That's pretty good. It's very off center on the front. Not bad on the back. This is our VMAX hit. V Max hit. That is nice. I think I may already have that. That's alright, we've got some good hits so far. I do love my blister packs. Water Energy, Kakuna, Caitlin, Chestplate, Coffee, Yamask, Snowbar, Castform, Ralts, Reverse Hollow, Wheezing, and a Slowpuff. Regular round. We went onto the Articunos now. I reckon we're more than halfway through. Maybe just a little bit over halfway through now. Nice, right, Calyrex packet. Wow, look at that card. That's really off center. Okay, we've got Darkness Energy, Porygon, Lucky, Suspect, Gloves, Rockruff, Marif, Grookey, Porygon, Golett, Peony, and Abomin Snow. Another Ice Rider Calyrex VMAX packet. This card here looks quite off center as well. Ghastly and Malamar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 7 hits, need 5 more, and we would be breaking the 50% pull rate. And for us, regular rare. Serena, regular rare. Just plowing through these now. About 8 packs left, I think. That was a tricky one to open. Haven't had a hit in ages. What is going on? There's a Sobble, that's a good one. Zeb Striker reverse and a Spiritomb non-holo rare. So Sobble for a single energy lets you search your deck and put 3 basic rapid scrap Pokemon onto your bench. Pretty good to start your game on your first turn if you're going second or your second turn. Wow, that's very off center. I hope at least we get something. Drizzile, Path to the Peak, Mareep, Grookey, Porygon, Golett, Crabbarola, Fafro, and Galarian Slowking V. Not the best, Not the best, but it's a hit and I'll take it. I will take the hit. So what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packets left. 6 packets left. And we're chasing a full art or a alternate art card. We're chasing something good. Sphere, Galarian, Articuno V. This is starting to look a lot like a booster box's worth of pulls, to be honest. This pack seems really thick. Maybe it's loaded with pulls. That last card looked quite off center as well. So it could be a good sign that we're going to get a hit, or it could be a bad sign that it's also off center. Oh, I got a full art Peonia. That's nice. Full art hit. Oh, wow. Peonia. Putting 3 prize cards in your hand. And then for each prize card you put in your hand, put 1 into your prize cards. That's nice. That is nice. Reverse Yamask and a Gengar Hollow. Another hit. Loving the hits. That's 4 hollows, 4 Vs, a VMAX, a gold, secret rare, and a full art card in 25 packets. I'd say that's about above average from what you get from a booster box. But we've still got 3 packets left. So we still have a chance of something else. Avery and Ampharos. Second to last packet. I don't think this will be anything good. It looks quite well centered on the back here, so I don't think it'll be a decent pull. Rolling Frog Crystal. Corbalion and Volcarona. Regular rare Volcarona. Last packet in. Let's get some hype. Last packet. Maybe we can get a hit on this very last pack to end the video. That would be nice. See how we go. Water Energy. Reboot. Old Cemetery. Expedition Uniform. Grookey. Flobberpuss. Heracross, Mareep, Lovesta, Venipede, and oh, I got a hit. Blaziken V Max, and it's Very off center. Wow. Alright, let's grab all the hits and summarize the pulls. 25 packets, which is less than a booster box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 V cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 hollows. So that's 8. We got 2 V maxes. That's 10. And then we got a full art Peonia and the gold secret rare fighting energy, which makes 12. So pretty much on the 50% pull rate. It's about 49% actually, but that's still pretty nice. And we got a decent amount of reverse hollows as well. Peonia centering isn't even that bad. On the back, it's just a little bit off center. The gold energies centering is all right. Back's off center again, and the Blaziken is just, it's gone. It's like there isn't anything left at all. Same with the VMAX. So that's 12 hits. That's pretty exciting. This is why I love blister packs. You just get so much value with blister packs. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, leave a like, keep up to date with my latest content, and I'll be sure to open up some more of these soon. Do love my blister packs, and can't wait to open up some more. Peace out guys.